Alright. Let's go. Come on.
Don't touch
Sit
me.
down.
I want my bag. I want my bag.
Sit.
Don't touch me.
Sit
Don't.
down.
I don't want to be touched. I said it. You just want money. You just want money at the end of the day.
Passed out drunk on the floor of a parking garage. People called the police to help her, but the moment she woke up, her reaction to what everyone was trying to do for her would leave her facing serious consequences.
Alright.
Don't touch me right now.
Stop.
Touch me right now. Don't touch me.
On February 14th, 2025, in Boca Raton, Florida, police were called to a parking garage after Annabella was found lying unconscious on the ground in an intoxicated state.
Okay. If you're on dispatch, you're good to hang out. Hello. Can you sit up for me? What's your name? Do you know her?
Yes.
Okay, how do you know her?
Friend.
Okay. Friend as in, like, are you guys in a relationship or is she just a friend?
Friend.
Okay. So what happened? What happened to her?
My car was right here. I put it in the parking. My car is gone. So I'm trying to.
Your car's gone?
Why my car?
What car do you drive? And you're positive it was this parking lot?
Yes.
What's her name?
Bella.
Okay, what's your name? Do you have ID on you?
Kevin.
Do you have ID on you?
Yes.
Can you hand it to me?
No.
What was that?
No.
Why not?
Can you ask me why?
Yeah, because I'm trying to help her, and if I need to ask questions and call you after, then I'll help. What's up, man? Why are you acting like this? What's going on?
You said to help.
You're just acting weird. Yeah, you're acting really weird. You're not giving me anything, like why she's like this.
I don't know why she's like that.
Okay. What happened to you? Why do you have all this stuff on you?
What do I have on?
You have dirt on you.
I don't know. I was sitting right there. I was sitting on the ground.
Okay. And did you touch your face at all?
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe. Look. Right there.
What's her name? What's her name?
Bella.
Bella.
Annabella.
Annabella.
Bella.
Can you sit up?
Hey, Bella.
Hey. Can you sit up? Is she just drunk? Did she take any drugs?
She's drunk.
Okay.
She's drunk. I was literally like, I parked my car. I put my thing.
Did she
and
take any drugs tonight?
Now it's like my car's gone.
She's not in trouble if you say yes, but did she take any drugs
I
tonight?
don't know. My car is gone.
Okay.
I'm just trying to figure out
Okay.
where my car is.
Well, I'm worried about her right now, okay?
That's okay.
Okay? You should be worried about your friend who's laying on the parking garage floor right now, okay?
Am I not here?
You are, but can
Am
you
I
help?
here?
Can you help me help her?
All right.
Will she answer you?
Tell me what
When's
I
the last
got.
time that you were talking to her and she was coherent?
Like 20 minutes ago. 30
Okay,
minutes
where were
ago.
you guys at? Were you at O'Brien's?
I got her and we came over here.
Okay.
The car was gone.
Okay. Annabella.
That's where I'm at.
She's sleeping now. Okay. How are you guys getting home after this? If she doesn't want to go to the hospital.
I was trying to get my car
Okay. You're positive you parked in this garage?
right here.
What car do you drive?
Chevy Cruze 2014.
What color?
Black.
Okay.
I legit 1907. Like I can show you the right here. 1907. I was trying to get. I don't know if they towed it. Why would they
Maybe.
tow it?
How long has it been parked to?
I paid for like an hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Okay.
I'm maybe like 20 minutes past that.
Okay.
I don't know if they.
Whatever.
Can you find out about that?
Yeah, we'll work on that in a second.
If it's in the, I don't know if they tow it out of here.
Hey.
I gotta say Uber home. She okay?
Yeah, she's good. Wake up. Annabelle.
She might be drunk.
Wake up. Can you sit up? Can you sit up so the fire department can check on you in a sec? Can you sit up?
That's someone calling you over here.
Because severe intoxication can lead to dangerous medical conditions, police called medical personnel to the scene to check on the woman and make sure she was safe. But when she woke up, she still was not able to understand her condition.
He said she didn't take any drugs. She's just drunk. I haven't really got anything out of her. She won't talk. She's just been like trying to sleep.
Bella?
Annabella.
Annabella.
All right. Do you have anybody else that can pick you guys up or something?
Yeah, most likely, yes.
Well, I need somebody that's probably sober because you're also intoxicated, so I don't trust you taking care of her.
I can get someone.
Yeah, I need like a family member or somebody that knows her, roommate, somebody that can watch
I need
her.
to figure out why is my car.
Somebody's looking for her right now.
I need you to wake up.
Annabella, don't do that.
You need to wake up. You're in a parking lot, but you're in a parking lot.
You're good.
I have fire station on me.
You're good.
No,
You're
I'm
good.
good.
Just sit.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Just sit. But you need to wake up.
I just want to make sure.
I'm good.
You're good.
You're not good. You're passed out in the parking lot.
It's not my heart.
Bro,
No, there's someone here
bro,
with me.
you're okay. I'm here. I'm right here. I'm right here.
It's you.
I'm right here.
No.
Look, the car
You
shit.
went to work.
The
You
car
went to work
shit's
for
gone.
me.
Do you have
Leave
a
me with me.
Do you have- do you have like an app that would show your like Apple
Because you
does
wanna
it?
f with me the whole fucking night.
My
You wanna tell me
car
I'm a
is
piece of
gone.
shit. Get the f out of my fucking face.
Stop.
Kevin, get out of my fucking face.
They're here to
Kevin?
check on you. Do you want them to check on you or not?
Get out of my face.
Bella, stop. Do you want them to check on you or not? Because you're just wasting their time at this point.
Cool, you can check on me, whatever, I want not.
Do you want them to check you?
Check
Or are
me.
you just intoxicated and being difficult and don't want to help?
No, I don't. I've been to the hospital before. I've been through this shit, bro. I've been through this shit before.
Okay.
Alright?
So here's your option. Find a friend to come get you. Because you're intoxicated, you're passed out in the parking lot.
Okay, well, my friend, I just told him to f off.
Okay, call a friend to have him come here.
Sign the whole thing.
Well, then your options go in the hospital.
Medical personnel and police were trying to help her stay safe and avoid becoming a danger to others, but she quickly rejected those efforts, causing the situation to begin escalating.
Why am I leaking out of my bag right now?
No, I think you peed yourself. I don't know if that's water or
That's definitely pee. Yep.
Yeah.
Just stay on the ground for a second.
on the
Just-
ground.
you don't need to get
Why
up.
am I leaking out of my bag?
Because you probably,
right now?
I think you peed, or it's maybe it is your bag.
Peed?
I didn't.
You peed
I didn't. You
on
did.
me? Did you pee on me? I didn't pee myself. That's what I do.
Can you call them?
Try to call them and tell them to come pick
I want to
you
be
up.
left alone.
You can't. You're
I don't like
intoxicated.
all these people on me, bro. This shit's pissing me off right now. I don't like all
Call a
these
friend.
people being called on me. I've been through this shit one too many times. I've been
Well, if you've been through this
Baker
and you know the only other
active.
option,
I've been Baker
hey.
active for no fucking reason. I want people to leave me alone.
Okay, we'll call a
Just get out
friend.
of my face.
Call a friend.
Just get out of my face. I need everyone to get out of my face.
Kevin, does she have a roommate, family, anybody?
Yeah, her brother.
Don't just stand next to her. I don't want you standing next to her. Because if she hits you,
I don't
then
want people
it's just
sitting
gonna be
next to
something
me.
else.
I have too many people next
What?
to me right now.
Her brother.
I have
Okay,
too
can
many
you,
people
do you have his phone number?
I don't like this.
Shut up.
I don't like people next to me. I don't care.
Call somebody.
Stop what? Stop
We're gonna
what?
go to the hospital then.
Stop who? Cool. I don't care. At the end of the day. At the end of the day, you're gonna take me where you're gonna take me. Because that's what you want to do. Because you want your money. Leave me alone. Everyone leave me alone right now. Just back up. Just back up. Just back up. I have too many people on me right now. I have really bad anxiety. Alright? And when I have people on me, I don't like it. I don't like when people on me. Alright? I'm being respectful. So at the end of the day, if I was a bitch, I'd
He
beat
doesn't
your
have the number
ass.
for the brother.
If I cared enough, I'd beat your ass. So just step away from me now. Step away.
Don't touch
from
Don't touch
me.
him. Don't touch him.
Step away from me.
If you touch him, then you are going to jail. Simple as
But
that.
I'm not going to because I respect.
Okay, if
my
you
elders.
respect them, then you'll answer their questions, okay?
Alright,
And you'll go-
step away from me.
Go to the
If
hospital.
You respect me,
Okay.
If you respect me,
I'll take a step.
you
I'll take a
away
step.
from me. That's all.
All right.
That's all I'm asking. And I have a statue coming out.
Yep.
I've already been through this route. I've already been through this route.
Stop.
No, because I'm gonna
Stop. This is what I told you. Stop.
I'm okay.
I'm
just grabbing my
because I'm
phone.
gonna get
The officer warned her that touching or hitting the people around her could lead to serious consequences. Under Florida Statute 784.07, battery against a law enforcement officer or certain emergency personnel who are performing lawful duties can be elevated from a first-degree misdemeanor to a third-degree felony if the conditions of the statute are met. Police and medical personnel decided to take her to the hospital to check her condition, but her next actions made the situation more serious.
You're either going with them or you're going with me, okay? Simple as that. I'm not doing this. I'm not playing this game. You can't even walk. You can't control yourself.
Now you see, he's taking my best friend.
Who cares about him? Who cares
That's
about
my
him?
best friend.
Well, your best friend doesn't even want to help you get a ride home, so...
Yeah, no. But you know what? The only person that's giving me
Okay.
a ride home is this right now. And I don't want this right now. I don't want this
So what's
right now.
what's the solution?
Go home.
Okay.
Go back to your base and leave me the f alone.
So how are you going to do that? Is somebody at home, they can take care of
Leave me
you?
alone. Leave me alone.
Alright, come on. We're not playing this game. Let's go. Come on.
Don't touch me. Don't
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Don't touch me. Don't touch
Sit
me.
down.
I want my bag. I want my bag. I want my bag.
Sit.
Don't touch me.
Sit
Don't-
down.
Don't,
All right.
don't touch me right now.
Stop.
Touch me right now. Don't touch me.
Oh, chill.
Stop.
Touch me. I don't want to be touched.
Can I go where she's going?
My God, now I'm
Back
being
up.
handcuffed.
Back up.
Take 10 steps back. 10 steps back.
Now I'm being
Yep.
handcuffed. Get these handcuffs off of me. Get these handcuffs off of me. I don't want to be touched. I don't want to be touched, bro. I don't need a pair. Can I get one? You guys. Hey, all of you guys.
We're not going to take her up there yet. So,
Out of anything, I want my
but then, yeah. No, that's hers.
Kevin,
That's
you don't have no
That's-
right
that's
to
hers.
take my bag. Give me my bag, please. Ow, ow.
No, it's gonna go with her. It's gonna go with her.
All you want is money. Get the fuck off of me. Get the fuck off of me. All you want is no. No. Because I already been through this shit. I already been through this shit. And last time I was through this shit, I improved the fucking brakes off me. This is bullshit right now. Now, because you, you, I'm never gonna talk to you again. You're a
it doesn't matter. Whichever
give
one.
me
it
my
matters.
shit.
We'll just
Get
I'll have one of you guys come
me
back.
my
Did she hit you or who was it? Who'd she hit?
No, I didn't hit anybody. I didn't hit anybody. Shut the fuck up. Get the fuck out of my face.
Still yelling insults and thrashing around. Her resistance at this point would leave her facing another charge. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting, obstructing, or opposing an officer who is lawfully performing their duties without using violence can constitute resisting an officer without violence. Under Florida law, that offense is classified as a first-degree misdemeanor. Right after that, she was taken to the hospital for evaluation before further processing at the station.
This is so unfair. No, you wanna give me I don't care about this. Give me my bag.
Did you grab that bag?
Give me my bag. I want my bag. Give me my bag. Give me my bag. Give me my bag. I'm gonna get bitched out by some fucking. I better be in a jail cell by myself because I ain't fucking dealing with it.
It's not like, you ever been in jail before?
No, I haven't.
Okay, it's not like it's
Can you just grab the second copy out of there? Huh? Can you grab the one copy out of there? There should be two, what's it called?
Well, unfortunately, it's the consequences of your actions.
I can't do this, guys.
Yeah, you may have to lean down a little bit. There you go. Make it so. Try to be as comfortable as possible, but it's tough.
Thanks.
After the arrest, Anna was charged with battery on law enforcement and obstructing without violence. But the case later ended very differently from what was seen on Bodycam. On February 24th, 2025, Anna pleaded not guilty to the charges. According to the second source, the judge later dismissed both charges, meaning she was not convicted on either count in the case described by the source. Let's take a look at how viewers reacted to this case. The fact that her so-called friend couldn't find his car may have saved some lives. Laying on the ground in a pool of your own urine with a guy who doesn't care if you're alive or not. You have officially hit rock bottom. She should never get drunk like that again. She's lucky couple of good Samaritans found her and called for help. I can't even imagine being passed out on a dirty garage floor, ass out, pee leaving a trail behind you, filmed and forever on the internet. It's like a nightmare you wake from up in a cold sweat. What do you think? Share your opinion in the comments below. This case shows how quickly the line can shift between police trying to help someone and that person ending up facing legal consequences. Anna initially only needed to be taken somewhere safe, but by continuing to confront officers and letting the situation turn physical, she ended up under arrest and involved in a criminal case, even though both charges were later dismissed. If you enjoy the way we dig into both what the Bodycam recorded and what actually happened afterward, subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you stories where the ending can be very different from what viewers first expect.